Hey, what's up guys? This is your financial brethren here again with another awesome video. In today's video, we'll be checking out the stock TranJamaican Highway, ticker symbol TJH. Don't move, stay tuned. Company overview. TranJamaican Highway Limited is a company listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Its ticker symbol is TJH. The company specializes in transportation infrastructure. It is involved in the development, operation and maintenance of highways and toll roads in Jamaica. As a toll road operator, TransJamaica generates its revenues by collecting toll fees from the users of the highway it manages. The company plays a vital role in enhancing transportation infrastructure in Jamaica, facilitating the smooth movement of people and also goods. Industry analysis. TransJamaica maintains various indirect connections with other Caribbean enterprises. For instance, the company collaborates with local suppliers for construction and maintenance services. It has contracts with Caribbean banks and insurance companies. Additionally, TransJamaica is affiliated with organizations like the Caribbean Development Bank and the Caribbean Association of Public Highways Authority. Though its market presence beyond Jamaica is very limited, these affiliations offer TransJamaica the opportunity to network with other businesses in the Caribbean and exchange valuable insights and business practices. Management team. Leading the company is Ivan Anderson, who has been the managing director since April 2021 and previously served as non-executive director from December 6, 2019 to April 2022. Other key figures in the leadership team include Patrick Hilton, a non-executive director with a tenure of over 2 years, Charles Paradis, an independent chairman who has been serving for over 3.5 years, Stephen Gooden, a non-executive director with a tenure of over 2 years, and Julie Thompson James, a non-executive independent director who has been serving for over 3.5 years. The demonstrated expertise and achievements of the leadership in their respective domains indicate their ability to excel in long-term planning and strategic decision-making, positioning the company for success. Financials. TransJamaican Highway Limited has exhibited a favorable trajectory in financial performance spanning the period 2018 to 2022. From the financials, it denotes that in terms of the revenues, the company has experienced upward trend year over year, moving from 52 million in 2018 to 53 million in 2019, and fell off in 2020 to recorded revenue of 45.38 million. In 2021, revenue was around 52.76 million and 65 million in 2021. Operating income amounted to 23.96 million in 2022, denoting a steady upward trend year over year from 2018. TransJamaica assets in 2022 comprising of current assets such as cash and cash equivalent amounted to 5.42 million. Total receivables amounted to 24K, total inventory 16K, and prepaid expenses amounted to 44K. Long-term assets such as net property, plant and equipment were valued at 1.23 million, intangible assets 212 million, and long-term receivables amounted to 24K. Other long-term assets amounted to 49.34 million and other assets amounted to 20 million. TransJamaica Limited liabilities comprising of short-term liabilities such as accounts payables amounted to 525K, accrued expenses amounted to 2.98 million, and current debt and capital leases amounted to 10 million. Other current liabilities amounted to 2.54 million. Long-term liabilities such as total long-term debt amounted to 224.49 million, and other liabilities amounted to 7 million. In this section, we'll be speaking about the key ratio analysis. The gross margin for TransJamaica Highway Limited in 2022 was 39.09%, representing a growth of 9.93% compared to 2021. This indicates that the company's profitability from its core operations improved slightly in 2022. A higher operating profit margin of 28.74% was recorded in 2022, which indicates better efficiency in managing expenses and generating profits. The current ratio for TranJamaican Highway Limited in 2021 was 0.38, reflecting a decline of 27.16% compared to 2021. This suggests that the company's short-term liquidity position weakened in 2022. The quick ratio for the year 2022 is approximately 0.387, which means that for every dollar of current liabilities, the company has approximately 39 cents of highly liquid assets to cover its short-term obligations. The quick ratio above 1 is generally considered healthy, and it indicates that the company has enough liquid assets to cover its short-term liabilities. However, a quick ratio below 1 may indicate potential liquidity issues for the company, and in this case, the quick ratio is below 1, indicating that the company may have some liquidity concerns in the future. The debt to equity ratio for TranJamaican Highway Limited in 2022 was 587.41, indicating a growth of 32.05% compared to 2021. This suggests that the company's level of debt relative to its equity increased in 2022. Valuation. Recall that valuation is the process through which you determine the worth or the economic value of an asset, company, investment, or any other financial instrument for that matter. For the purpose of this video, we'll be going through just a few methodologies, and those are price to sales, EBIT, revenue multiples, and 5-year DCF EBITDA exit. As it relates to price to sales, the price of the company is around 2 cents US. This reveals that the company is significantly undervalued relative to its sales or revenues. As it relates to EBIT, that's around 2 cents US also. The company has earnings before interest and taxes at 2% of its total revenue or sales. Revenue multiples, also 2 cents US. Our valuation indicates that the company market capitalization or enterprise value is valued at 2% of its total revenues. 5-year DCF EBITDA exit, also 2 cents US. The company is valued relatively low compared to its projected future cash flows, and this could suggest that the company is perceived as undervalued. Overall, the average price of the company is around 2 cents US. This suggests that the company is undervalued. Typically, when doing valuations, a number of methodologies are incorporated, and the lower and the upper bound is arrived at, and then an average is also computed. But for the purposes of this video, we will not be going into much more detail. To learn more about investments and portfolio management, you can also check out courses at BI Institute, such as Financial Statement Analysis, Business Valuation 1 and 2, and Portfolio and Asset Management. If you have made it this far, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to drop a like, share, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at BI Institute and founder.president. This has been your financial brethren. See you in the next video.